Hi allesammans, hello everyone. Today we will talk about 10 Norwegian words that describe pandemic life. Because of COVID-19 epidemic, our lives have changed in many ways, and we now use new words and phrases from quarantine to social separation. These concepts have entered our everyday lexicon. Still, as the pandemic has been going on for a long time, new aspects of life during a pandemic emerge, alongside the new words to describe them. In our discussion today, we will look at 10 Norwegian words that describe the unique feelings of living through a pandemic. This will show how the crisis has changed our language and our lives. Karantene, 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 quarantine. The period of isolation for an individual who has been exposed to an infectious disease in order to avoid its spread. Hjemmekontor, hjemmekontor, hjemmekontor. Home office, working from home as opposed to in a regular office setting. Munnbind, munnbind, munnbind. Face mask, a protective covering worn over the mouth and nose to minimize airborne particle transmission. Sosial distansering, sosial distansering, sosial distansering. Social distancing, the practice of keeping a physical distance from others in order to prevent disease transmission. Håndsprit, håndsprit, håndsprit. Hand sanitizer. This alcohol-based gel or liquid is used to disinfect hands and reduce disease transmission. Isolasjon, isolasjon, isolasjon. Isolation. The state of being separated from others in order to prevent the transmission of sickness. Testing, 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 testing. This is the process of assessing individuals for the existence of an infectious disease. This frequently involves the use of diagnostic instruments such as PCR tests. Smittetilfelle, smittetilfelle, smittetilfelle. Confirmed case, a person who has been diagnosed with a contagious disease. Pandemi, 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 pandemic. Describing a worldwide contagious disease outbreak affecting a huge proportion of the population. Vaksine, 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 vaccine. A medical treatment that boosts the body's immune system to battle infectious diseases. In conclusion, the COVID-19 pandemic has greatly affected our language by giving us new words and ideas to describe the unique things that happen during a pandemic. From social distance to hand sanitizer, the 10 Norwegian words we looked at today show some of the most noticeable parts of this problem. As we learn to live in this new world, it's clear that the language will change to reflect how the pandemic is changing. If we understand the words and ideas that have come up during the crisis, we can better understand how it has changed our lives and work towards a happier, healthier future. Do you want to learn more Norwegian? We are now offering a free Norwegian trial class. Sign up for a free trial class by going to our website nlsnorwegian.no, nlsnorwegian.no.